Hey everyone, we're going to do a little bit of an astro shoot tonight, so I thought I'd take you along. Just packing the bag, the newer Pro, still running this, 2 years old, still works a treat. I have put in recently a newer insert, and it makes a big difference. A little hot tip I thought I'd share with you. Although the bag does come with its own dividers, just having this where I can just pull this out and then just use it as a normal backpack makes a big difference. And it's limiting what I'm taking as well. So if I'm trying to fit all my camera stuff into that, and then it gives me a bit of space for clothing and stuff. So I've got some lights. I've got my nanolights in there for some light painting and stuff, and a little bit more protection actually when I'm traveling. That was the other reason. Basically, it is padded bag, but then I've got another padded bag in there, so that'll be cool. Got a new bag coming, the Shimoda. If you haven't seen on the channel, I've been sort of shouting that out a bit. And look, I think this is only like a 22 litre bag, so there's not a lot of room. So once I get some bigger lenses, like I can't take my 70 to 300 with me and stuff like that, and my 16 to 35, I'm going to try and fit that in there as well. You just run out of room, so a bigger bag is going to be good. So this bag's served me pretty well. Got my three-legged tripod head on there on the newer tripod. Little carbon fibre, nice and light, great for just leaving it work, so that's handy. And taking the beloved RP with the 24mm EF lens adapter on there, and it should be pretty good. Nissi filter, of course. I've always got running the Nissi, so that's always a good thing. 2.8 aperture on this, so perfect for astro. 24, not as wide as I'd like to be. The 16 will probably take over from this one, but image stabilization, it's a fantastic lens. It got rave reviews when it comes out. When it came out, it still holds a value, and is a really, really good lens that I've used it now. So got that. Yeah, that's about it. Ready to pack up and go. Grab a bottle of water and stuff, and then shoot out. Catching up with Benny. Benny's coming out tonight, so it should be pretty cool. Rightio, let's go do this. Hit that intro. Well, here we are out shooting, and there's a camera set up, all good to go. 24mm EF Canon, the 2.8. I've got the Nissi nighttime filter on, so that's cool. Three-legged thing, that's all going well. And we'll come back around here, and I'll see if I can't turn it on for you. And there we go. We can get through and see some of these photos. Pretty darn excited. Absolutely crystal clear here tonight. I'll try and show you a bit once I've gone through here. And then if you can see some of these photos. Ooh. So it started off earlier in the night, just some practice. You can see the mountain there, and then the Milky Way sort of there. There's a bit of a vertical stack I'm going to play with. And that's what we're looking at there. It's got this beautiful big mountain in front of us, like a knoll, and then a mountain range to the left or to the right of us. And that was the Milky Way started to slowly come down. You can see it here. It just started getting better and better as the night was going. And then we go into a panorama. Now I've done, I think, 4 over and across different. This one's, I think, at 6,000. Yeah, 6200 ISO. First one was 3200. Doing 20 seconds f2.8, obviously, because it's fixed. And then this is another 3200, and you can see that Milky Way core and just the whole ribbon. You can see the whole lot. It's come up awesome. So what I'm going to blend that base with a 6200, all the foreground here, or the mountain range, and I'll blend that. Use that one, and then I'll take the 3200 shots, and here's another 3200, and I'll use that Milky Way and that night sky with the brighter foreground. So I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. Super, super excited about it. So I'll see if we can show you. I'll just turn these lights off and turn my camera off so I don't waste the battery. And now I don't know if you're going to be able to pick anything up, but that light over there, that's sort of the corner, and you can see just where, right in the center of frame, that's the corner. So directly above that, the left-hand side of the Milky Way's, the arch is starting there, and it's going all the way around. I just can't, I do have the Nissi night filter on my phone, but I doubt it's going to pick up anything of this magic that we can see with the human eye, because there is just a big, massive black sky full of stars tonight. Absolutely perfection. Very, very cool. Hey, how's that? I hope that's come up all right. So yeah, no, look, super stoked. Those panos look amazing. It's freezing cold now. About, I don't know, about 2 o'clock, we got a big cold gust come through, and yeah, it was bloody freezing. Hands have gone a bit numb. It's not super cold. I think it's only supposed to get down to 6, but obviously a bit elevated, so it does make a difference. But yeah, the trusty RP on all the gear, the newer tripod, the carbon fibre version, come up pretty good. I'm stoked. I can't wait to see those photos. So I'll show you them now and see if you enjoy them. Hope you do enjoy them. It should be pretty spectacular. Pretty proud of this. It's one of those rare nights where there's no wind, no clouds, zero clouds. Milky Way's in the perfect spot, and well, you know, we're here. We've come out. We've made the effort, and that's what it's all about. Sometimes you just got to keep going out until you get that lucky night. Tonight's the night. So I'm going to keep shooting, do some more shooting, but I'll show you the photos now for the pano and the vertical stack one first, and then I'll put whatever the pano I make up out of the other ones in, and hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy this night. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, it's only a quick short one, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. Yeah, hit subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace. Go and light. Pow.